Hi, I'm Peyton, and welcome to my blogster/poster on pulleys and their functions, as exampled by the title here. A pulley, as exampled by this older man, is, in my definition, a wheel and an axle combined with a rope that will help a human or a polar machine pull up a heavier object than one can lift. Here is a picture of a pulley, there's a picture of a pulley, there's a picture of a pulley, and there's a picture of the pulley. A pulley has very many different uses. This is probably an industrial grade pulley pulling up industrial stuff for industrial people who make industrial buildings, such as industrial bricks or fun stuff like that. Says there, look, it's a pulley in the real world and a fancy arrow pointing at it and moving. A pulley can be used for more than just industrializing buildings and bricks and fun stuff like that. Pulley can be used for flagpoles, cranes, water pumps, air conditioners, and automobile engines and sewing machines. How it works in flagpoles is, I'll use this pulley to example. A person pulls down here, and the flag is attached there. Once the person pulls down, the flag goes up. Pretty basic. On an automobile, there's a belt inside of the engine, which is pulled around and around, which does stuff. I would go into detail, but that'll take a while. A pulley is a wheel. This is the dictionary. This is a definition from dictionary.com. Pulley is a wheel with a grooved rim for carrying a line that turns in a frame or a block that serves to change direction or to transmit force as when one end of the line is pulled to raise a weight at the other end. One of the simple machines. That is the super science. No, not super sciencey, but like the higher level definition than mine. This pulley here, not an industrial pulley, not a background, this completely default white pulley. This one is colored and it's better quality. This one is used for like rock climbing. How to use it for rock climbing is you throw a rope over there and then you would pull one end and then you would lift yourself with the other. Pretty basic. Blah. This is a video about a child. This little girl tries to show him about the pulley, and he says, "Oh, I can lift this bucket out of the well," and she's like, "No, you can't." And then he's like, "Yes, I can." So she throws the bucket in the well with a rope attached to it. He tries to pull it out, he can't do it, but when he uses the pulley, he can. Pulleys make life simpler. Fun. Also, the funny thing is, the pulley system was used in a guillotine system for many, many years of, well, you know kind of what guillotines are for. The executioner would pull this rope here, which would lift up the blade, and he'd drop it, and then you should know what happens from there. And then this is another version of my definition. A pulley is a simple machine. Duh. Simple machines make a job easier for people. And this is using kind of a complex pulley system by attaching pulleys to the crate, but then lifting by one. This will make maybe this 50-pound crate easier for whoever's pulling it, man or machine, pulling that upward. And then there is said works cited page. Fancy be that. Thank you for watching my blogster / everything I said in the beginning about pulleys and their functions.